what do you say is your problem again? Pastor, I get disappointments in my life everywhere I go. Yes, I get disappointments in my life. Pastor, I don't know what to do. Pastor, I don't know what to do. Pastor, you have to help me. I have submitted my CV in 21 places. 21 places, including shrine. Shrine. Yes. What I do something about it. Pastor, we have to do something. Pastor, help me. Pastor, on my business, nothing is moving. Pastor, nothing is moving. See. Pastor says I put business, nothing is moving. Nothing, Pastor. Pastor, help me. Wait, we'll do something about this. We'll do something about it. Wait, we'll do something about this. Father, in the name of Jesus. Oh, in the name of Jesus. In the name of Jesus. Our church will patronize. Our church is going to buy your product. Our church is going to patronize. We shall buy everything in your shop. People buy. I will buy. You will buy. We'll keep on buying. We'll buy. Buy your products. We must buy. People from everywhere will buy. My grandfather, everyone will buy. I will buy. You buy. I must buy. For Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Brother Philip, Pastor, what do you say you do for a living again?
Pastor, I sell coffee. You say not just only the one they drink. The one they put dead body.
I even supply them. Bomb. Even this Boko Haram, their thing. It's me that used to give them. They are my customers. If not that Buhari, I've stopped them. Pastor, I don't know. I sell coffee. Bomb. Gone. Pastor, I sell so many other weapons that are good. Pastor, you see yellow coffee, blue coffee, pink coffee. Gone. Green one. We will help you. Thank you. Our work is helping people. We will help you. We love helping people.
Baba, don't leave me hanging. Oluwa, answer my call.